Have you ever found a lizard impaled on thorns trees or on a wire fences and wonder why? Can be as well a frog, or mouse or grasshopper or beetle, or even a bird. The impaled prey feels like you're entering an isolated tribal territory. The responsible is the shrike bird. It is a passerine bird of the family Lanidae. The shrike family includes 33 species organized into 3 genera. Most species live in Eurasia and Africa. Only 2, the loggerhead shrike and the northern shrike, are found in North America. In Morocco there is 6 family of shrike. The most common are great grey shrike, woodchat shrike, and the red-backed shrike. The grayscale songbirds of the open country might look as harmless as a mockingbird's. Scientist gave him the nickname, the butcherbird. They got the nickname because of their habits, particularly of males, as they impaling prey onto plant spines within their territories. These larders have multiple functions, is to attract females and serving as food stores for later. Like the old time, humans used to dry meat in sun to conserve, shrikes still using it. They'll sit on an elevated perch, scan the ground below, and pounce on any spotted prey. It consumes prey such as insects, amphibians, lizards, small mammals and small birds. And some prey end up displayed and stored at a site, for example in a tree. Due to its small size and weak talons, this predatory bird relies on impaling its prey upon thorns or barbed wire for facilitated consumption. Shrikes are diurnal birds that are usually seen alone. They establish feeding territories and defend them with advertising calls. Shrikes form monogamous pairs and begin breeding during their first spring. During this time, the male performs a courtship ritual that occurs in flight. Shrikes nest in dense trees and shrubs. The female lays 4 to 8 eggs in a bulky cup made of twigs and grass. And the incubation, on average, lasts 16 days. Once hatched, nestlings are fed by both the male and female parents. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.